I have 10 minutes, so let's try out the new B&Q eyelashes I got. It comes with a metal tweezer. It comes with a bond and seal. It comes with a remover and 2 different sets of lashes. These are from 18 to 8, and these are from 16 to 10. So I'm not going to start with the 18s today. Since this is a new set, I'm going to start with the 14s on the end, probably go down to the 8s. I love that they have the 8s, and they're super small, so you can fit them right in this little area. Because if you put a bigger one in this area, it starts to look more fake, and it can lift. I just don't like the look of it right in the corner. I do like these tweezers. They're nice and metal. They don't seem flimsy. That means they took their time and actually branded each one of their tools. Some of them don't do that, so you can tell they're a little bit more cheaply made. You guys know I love my Fad Lash glue. That's the one I normally use, but I always give the new lashes a try with their own glue. This one comes with a bond and a seal. So what we're going to do is you can set out your sizes so it doesn't confuse you. I'm just going to take it, put it in. I got 10 minutes. I got to go. You're going to put the bond onto the top of the lash. You're also going to put it on your lashes. Take your tweezer, grab it from the back. You can pull your eye open, or you can just stick them underneath. Press them on. Oh, these are really curly. I like to go back and forth. You can do your whole one eye and then the other. Grab it like this. Try not to get any of that glue on your bottom lash because they will stick together. Make sure that there is no glue on your tweezer, or they will also stick together. You want to put it slightly away from your waterline. You don't want it touching. When you blink, if you feel it, and then you put it too close. I like to slightly overlap. If you hear people going crazy outside, it's a little bit of construction going on. I don't know why he'd be doing that. Can you hear that? Because he's happy to be at his job. Okay, so now I'm going to go from the 14 to the 12. I'm going to do another 12. When you're taking these lashes out of the container, make sure you're taking them from the base and pulling them out. If you take them from the top, it will most likely rip the lash. And I think I'll put 2 more on. I'm going to do the 10s this time for the corners. Oh my gosh. Construction is crazy today. And then the last 2 on this side. Last one. These are more curly than I'm used to. So now I'm going to bond them together. Well, it seems like they dry pretty quickly. I'm going to bond this eye. Okay, they're done. I would love to wear these to the beach. So I'm going to test these out for the week, see how they last through sleeping, through showers, through makeup applications, taking it off, putting it back on. So far, I am loving these. I love the look of them. Add another one to the list. I'll get the link and put it down here. Let's give it one last look at these. Hope that helps. See you in the next one.